it's not the first. It's always like this, where you see police being against their own citizens. When they're supposed to be actually protecting the citizens of this country, they protect foreigners. So South Africans amongst each other, you will not see anything. But foreigners, they're blocking a gate. South Africans must not go inside. But the system, that's why abantu, even not today, abantu balambile. Because of the system, it's designed ukuthi abantu kumele bahlezi bancenga kuma political party babaphezona impuphu nezikipa, bahlale bamabheka. But unfortunately abantu bethu, they're not doing the right thing yokuthi basuse isystem le bafake isystem ezoba for bona. But amaphoyisa, we fought a lot namaphoyisa. Imadlanga Commission was one of the evidence which why silwa namaphoyisa, because there are many wrongs ezenzakalayo in that department. We've seen it, we've heard it, and they're not doing anything. Kuba nama commission after commission, commission after commission, they file the commissions, begwe lapha collect dust, and nothing is done. Kuyoze kube nini siba nama commission wa abantu mebe create a crime bangaboshwa, wa ama foreigner mongene country nenza into wrong, because mongene country illegal, you are a criminal, why bangaboshwa babusele umuntu. So it means government yethu uyayithanda le system yenhlupheko nencindezelo yabantu abamnyama, and it doesn't look like sizophuma kuyo anytime soon, because South Africans again, they keep disappointing us, they keep voting for the wrong people. But the funny part is that every morning my phone is flooded with complaints from South Africans. I don't have any powers, man. I'm just a leader of an organization called Operation Tudula. But every morning I get complaints, there's a problem in this company, my child doesn't have a school, a clinic here too, I'm booked for 5 years, after 5 years for my cancer treatment and whatnot. I don't have powers. Why don't you give us those powers? Because it means you believe so South Africans must vote in Ngondo and not a stomach. We're going to do a rescission. Actual fact, our legal team is busy with that. So it should be finalized by Monday, because we can't afford not to be fixing our country. It's our right. The judgment was just something else. We believe as citizens we have all the rights. We effective in citizens' arrest, we have the right to protest. And we have a right to tell a criminal that you are a criminal. If you are an illegal foreigner, you are an illegal foreigner, it's not going to change. Why are you closing our mouths? Because that's what they do. Even in the apartheid days, they use the laws to close down the voices of the liberation movement. So they're doing the same with Operation Tudula. But unfortunately, they're not going to win, because there's something brewing out there. South Africans are getting angry day by day. What I saw last week here was just a tip of an iceberg, because something big is going to happen. Because foreigners feel too entitled to be in this country, and they feel they belong in this country. I'm sure Sibazwile last week, but they're not going anywhere. They live in this country, this is their country, but they are foreigners. I can't go to Zimbabwe and do the same thing. I'll be deported same time, even if I'm well documented. But unfortunately, we have a government that doesn't care, leaders who are arrogant and who are not willing to listen to its own citizens. But they're getting salary increase with our tax money. It's unfortunate.